Welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend against a one-arm shove. So check out the scene from Lord of the Rings to see how the shove is done, and I'll meet you back here for today's lesson. Let's check it out.
Hands off! That shiny that's mine!
Let's go into the Great Eye, along with everything else.
I don't take orders from stinking Morgul rats!
Welcome back. So I can't keep up with the races in Lord of the Rings because they kind of do their own thing, but I think it's an Uthgard that does a shove. So that's what we're going to go over today, is how to defend against that. So Bob here is going to shove me right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move with it. So as his arm comes out, I'm going to block as I step. But as I block and step here, I'm going to strike him in the throat. And I'm not just going to strike and let go on this one, I'm going to hold on. So I'm going to step and strike. Hold on, I'm going to get closer by stepping in and kneeing to the groin. From here, headbutt. Boom. Again, step and block, strike, step in, knee. You can do multiple and headbutt. We're going right to the center of the face, nose, mouth. Okay, so one more time. We're going to do this at the same time. We're going to step, block, and strike at the same time. Strike. Strike. From here, step up, knee, headbutt. Hi! Yeah! Okay, so for this one, we're going to say that we got shoved already. So Bob here shoves us here. It's going to make us take a step back. From here, it's fine. We see him here. We're automatically going to step into him. Strike. So he shoves us. Strike. From here, step in and knee, headbutt. One more time. Hi! For this next one, we're not going to wait for him to strike. We're going to strike first. Nice! This one should be pretty easy. It's no different than the other two. We're just going to take the first step. Step and strike. Make sure you're blocking this arm in case he tries to strike you. Step in, knee, headbutt. Now on to the bag. So you see the shove coming, the push. Step out of the way at this angle as we block and strike. Step, block, strike. Step in, knee, headbutt. If we got shoved first, here, our hand's already in position. Shoot it straight out as you step in. Knee, headbutt. One more as the aggressor. Strike, step in, knee, headbutt. Now let's do a free form. From the front, block, step, strike. Here, step up, knee, headbutt. From the front, step to the side as you block. You strike the throat. Hold on to it, step in, knee, and headbutt. One more. Step, block, strike. Step in close, knee, headbutt. Now go try it. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll meet you back here next time for more self-defense techniques.